Hello everyone and welcome to our another LinkedIn episode which is about is a corporate LinkedIn profile suitable for your business. My name is Marisa Metsnikova and I am the CEO and founder of Mario Ltd, and I help people find their why and build around it fulfilling life through profitable personal brand. So corporate profile is very important on LinkedIn because first of all, when you scroll down, you can have a really nice experience here if you actually have your own business. A corporate LinkedIn profile, also known as company page, is a dedicated space on LinkedIn where businesses can showcase their brand, products, services, and company culture. Who needs a corporate profile is, in short, any business looking to build its reputation, attract new customers, recruit top talent, and strengthen its industry network, then you should definitely consider to have one. So how I usually land on it is that I'm going to home and here I can see all of my company profiles. So I click on Mario Ltd and here I am. A personal LinkedIn profile is where individuals showcase their skills. So again, here this is the personal profile and also experience and professional achievements. On the other hand, a corporate LinkedIn profile represents the business itself and it highlights the company's mission, values, and offerings. So I will just click on view as a member. So this is how you can see the corporate aka company page for my company. So how to create a company page is very easy. You will go into business.linkedin.com and here click on create the page. So here you will click on the company and you will fill out all of the details that your company has. So name, also URL, and all of the information that are needed, including the profile page picture. And then also when you click on create a page, you will also be able to update the banner and other things. So this is how your dashboard as administrator looks like. You can also add more administrators here, but you cannot invite employees. The employees needs to put it in their experience in order to then be counted here as an employee. So when I go to the view as a member, you can see here the employees count, and also then people can be seen here as your employees. If you want to invite more people, then I will switch again to the administrator view, and you can invite the people to your network. When you scroll down here, invite to follow, and here you can invite people. I think it's 250 per week maybe that you can invite, that you have a really limited number of the people you can invite per the specific period of month. And that's it. This was about your corporate LinkedIn profile and how you can actually make it suitable for your business and if it's worth it or not. Also, if you want to make the most out of your corporate LinkedIn profile, then you should definitely engage with the followers and potential customers. And some of the best practices for posting and networking is to regularly post on LinkedIn, either on your corporate or on your personal, and then share. And every time you should always stay on the top of the mind of your audience and maintain an authentic voice and provide the value to your audience. So these are the three things for the best practices other than on engage. And this is all. So thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification button so you don't miss other episodes about the LinkedIn tips and also much more. I'm Marisa Metsnikova, the CEO and founder of Mario Ltd, and I help people like you to find their why and build the fulfilling and profitable personal brands. And I will be looking forward to see you next time. Thank you.